Welcome to More Quiz. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Which city is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Which city is the capital of Italy? Rome. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What is the capital of South Africa? Pretoria. Which city is the capital of India? Delhi. What is the capital of China? Beijing. Which city is the capital of Germany? Berlin. Which city is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. Which city is the capital of Thailand? Bangkok. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Riyadh. Which city is the capital of Russia? Moscow. Which city is the capital of France? Paris. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Astana. Which city is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington. What is the capital of Vietnam? Hanoi. Which city is the capital of Poland? Warsaw. What is the capital of Hungary? Budapest. Which city is the capital of Greece? Athens. Which city is the capital of Sweden? Stockholm. What is the capital of Bhutan? Thimphu. Which city is the capital of Mongolia? Ulaanbaatar. What is the capital of Uzbekistan? Tashkent. Which city is the capital of Cambodia? Phnom Penh. What is the capital of Papua New Guinea? Port Moresby. Which city is the capital of Paraguay? Asuncion. Which city is the capital of Mauritania? Nouakchott. Which city is the capital of Gabon? Libreville. What is the capital of Belize? Belmopan.